We are serving Central Florida since 2010. We do residential and commercial cleaning services, move in, move out, post-remodeling cleaning, new construction cleaning, tile grout cleaning, new homes to remove the haze from the floor, commercial accounts, clubhouse for seniors, beautiful clubhouse where we clean the whole clubhouse plus the tile and grout in the kitchen, a lot of grease, in the laundry area and the library area. Floor cleaning services at 407-572-4118. We deep cleaning shower lines, grout and tile in bathrooms, removing mineral deposit in shower glass doors, cleaning and sanitizers. This is a new construction cleaning, removing the haze from the floor, removing the grease and the dirt from the tile and grout in the kitchen area, make the grout lines better. This is a new construction cleaning, pretty floors, porcelain. This is a warehouse where they need to clean all the floors. 407-572-4118. Thank you.